Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to unblock number on OPPO A6 Pro. So basically open up your phone app, go to contacts right here and find the contact you have blocked. So for me it's this one, and as you can see here, two numbers with this contact are blocked. You have this icon right here and as you can see blocked, and to unblock go all the way down here to unblock numbers. Unblock numbers, you may receive calls or text from these numbers. Unblock, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.